Are you an aspiring jazz guitarist who dreams of playing beautiful chord melodies like the pros? Do you find yourself struggling to master this complex technique, feeling frustrated and discouraged along the way? Don't worry, because in this article, we will guide you through overcoming common challenges and help you unlock your full potential as a jazz guitar player. Mastering complex chords: the what, why, and how. One of the biggest hurdles when it comes to jazz guitar chord melodies is mastering complex chords. These intricate voicings can be intimidating at first glance, but with the right approach, they can become your secret weapon for creating rich harmonies. What? Complex chords refer to extended voicings that go beyond basic triads or seventh chords. They often include tensions such as ninths, 11ths, or 13ths. Why? Using complex chords adds depth and color to your chord melodies. It allows you to capture the essence of jazz harmony while creating unique arrangements. How? Start by learning basic triads and seventh chords in all positions on the fretboard. Once comfortable with these shapes, gradually introduce extensions, 9th, 11th, into your playing. Practice moving smoothly between different voicings while maintaining a smooth melodic line. Syncopated rhythms: adding life to your playing. Another challenge many guitarists face when tackling jazz chord melodies is incorporating syncopated rhythms effectively. Syncopation refers to emphasizing offbeat notes or accents within a musical phrase. What? Syncopated rhythms add groove and vitality to your playing by creating unexpected rhythmic patterns that break away from predictable downbeats. Why? By incorporating syncopation into your chord melodies, you bring them alive with energy and make them more engaging for your audience. How? Start by practicing simple syncopated patterns, such as playing a chord on the and of each beat. Gradually increase the complexity of your rhythms, exploring different combinations and accents within your phrases. Experiment with ghost notes and staccato techniques to add further variation. Improvisation: elevating your chord melodies. While chord melodies are often pre-arranged compositions, incorporating elements of improvisation can take your playing to the next level. What? Improvisation involves spontaneously creating melodies or variations within a musical framework. In jazz guitar chord melodies, this means adding improvised lines between chord changes or during solo sections. Why? Improvising allows you to express yourself creatively and adds a personal touch to your performances. It also helps develop your ear for melody and enhances overall musicianship. How? Start by learning scales that correspond to the chords in your repertoire. Practice improvising short melodic phrases using these scales over backing tracks or recorded accompaniments. As you become more comfortable, experiment with chromatic passing tones and arpeggios to create interesting lines that complement the underlying harmony. Transcription: learning from the masters. One effective way to overcome challenges in jazz guitar chord melodies is through transcription, studying and analyzing recordings of accomplished jazz guitarists. What? Transcription involves listening closely to recordings and notating or recreating what you hear on paper or by ear. Why? By transcribing solos, chord voicings, or entire arrangements from skilled players, you gain valuable insights into their techniques, phrasing choices, and overall approach to jazz guitar playing. How? Choose recordings featuring renowned jazz guitarists whose style resonates with you. Start by transcribing shorter phrases or melodic fragments before moving on to full solos or complex arrangements. Analyze what makes their playing unique, their use of chromaticism, rhythmic ideas, or harmonic choices, and incorporate these elements into your own playing. In conclusion, mastering jazz guitar chord melodies is no easy feat. However, by tackling common challenges head-on and following the strategies outlined above, you can overcome these obstacles and play like a pro in no time. Embrace complex chords to add depth to your arrangements, experiment with syncopated rhythms for added groove, incorporate improvisation to express yourself creatively, and learn from the masters through transcription. Remember that practice is key. Dedicate regular time to honing your skills and exploring new musical ideas. Soon enough, you'll find yourself effortlessly weaving beautiful chord melodies that captivate audiences and bring joy to your own musical journey.